Welcome to Out YouTube. If you're passionate about luxury vans, motorhomes, and unique rides that redefine road trips, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 GMC Savana Luxury van motorhome. GMC has taken the Savana nameplate, already known for its durability and versatility, and turned it into something truly spectacular. A modern luxury van designed for both travel and comfort. In this review, we'll give you a complete tour of the exterior design, step inside to explore the luxury interior, talk about the performance and technology, and wrap things up with price and final thoughts. So stay tuned, because you don't want to miss a single detail. The 2026 GMC Savana Luxury van makes a bold first impression. At the front, you're greeted by the signature GMC grille, with a striking brushed chrome finish and illuminated red GMC lettering that lights up with a modern touch. Flanking the grille are sleek LED headlights shaped in a C pattern, paired with LED daytime running lights for maximum visibility and style. The bumper has been resculpted to look more aggressive and aerodynamic, with integrated vents and tow hooks that give this van a confident road presence. On the roofline, you'll notice integrated LED light bars that not only add to its futuristic look, but also enhance nighttime visibility. Moving to the side, the 2026 Savana features tinted panoramic windows, smooth panel lines, and a hidden sliding door that keeps the design clean. The side skirts with subtle LED underglow lighting give the van a custom show car vibe. And of course, the wheels are a highlight. 24-inch forged alloy rims with a diamond cut, multi-spoke design wrapped in ultra-low profile tires. The wide-body stance, riveted fender flares, and lowered suspension setup complete the exterior's luxury performance look. Overall, this van has a commanding presence whether it's parked in your driveway or cruising down the highway. It's not just a van, it's a statement. Step inside, and the 2026 Savana Luxury van completely transforms from rugged to refined. The cabin is designed to feel like a mobile lounge. The first thing you'll notice is the premium black leather seating, stitched with red contrast patterns for a sporty yet elegant vibe. The seats are fully reclinable, heated and ventilated, with massage functions for long road trips. The dashboard has been modernized with golden accent lines running across, surrounding a large digital infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The system is paired with a premium surround sound audio setup, perfect for turning your road trip into a theater-like experience. Behind the driver's cabin, the luxury continues. You'll find a spacious lounge area with captain chairs, fold-out tables, hidden storage compartments, and ambient LED lighting along the ceiling. The lighting can be customized to match your mood, from cool whites for productivity to warm tones for relaxation. At the very back, large privacy curtains can be drawn to completely separate the rear lounge, creating a cozy and private environment, ideal for resting after a long drive. Even though this model doesn't include a kitchen or washroom, set up like some motorhomes, GMC has optimized the space to focus on comfort, seating, and entertainment, making it perfect for business travel, family outings, or luxury van life. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2026 GMC Savana Luxury van comes with a 6.6-liter V8 engine producing strong horsepower and torque, making it capable of pulling heavy loads or gliding effortlessly on highways. There's also an optional Duramax diesel for those who want more efficiency on long road trips. The van features adaptive suspension, which automatically adjusts based on road conditions, giving you a smooth ride whether you're on city streets or open highways. The steering feels light for a vehicle of this size, and advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking all come standard. Despite its size, the 2026 Savana is easy to handle thanks to cameras around the exterior that give you a full 360-degree view while parking or maneuvering. Price and value. So, how much does all this luxury cost? The starting price for the 2026 GMC Savana Luxury van is expected to be around $85,000, depending on the trim and customization options. Fully loaded models with premium wheels, advanced infotainment, and interior luxury packages can cross the $110,000 mark. Now, while that may sound like a big number, remember, this isn't just transportation. It's a luxury lifestyle vehicle. You're getting comfort, advanced features, and the ability to travel long distances in style without needing a full RV. For business professionals, families who love road trips, or anyone who wants a versatile luxury motorhome, the 2026 Savana makes a lot of sense. It's a complete transformation of what the Savana line represents. With its bold exterior, high-end interior, powerful performance, and versatile features, this van redefines luxury motorhomes. It's stylish enough to turn heads, comfortable enough to serve as a second home, and capable enough to take you wherever the road leads. So what do you think of the new GMC Savana? Would you take this on a cross-country road trip? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Nomad Wheels and Reviews, and stay tuned for more in-depth luxury vehicle tours. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.